are going to um, learn how to do the finance stuff for your societies and clubs. Uh, it's actually relatively easy once you know what you're doing. But first, you have to go to the SU website, which is this right here, and then you log in. And you log in with your student login account, which is what I'm going to do here. And once you're logged in, you go up to here to admin. Now you should have your club or society right here. Right now I've been given access to futsal for this little demonstration. And then you click on your club/society and you get taken to this page, and it has all of this, and it's a little overwhelming, but it's okay. All you have to really click on is finance requests. Now, once you're in finance requests, you'll see your balance and you will see any recent finance requests put up in front of you. And so you'll see this little thing here, pending approval. You just click on that and you decide to approve, refer to requester, reject, or just do nothing. I'm going to reject right here. And you can put a reason as to why you're rejecting. And you just reject. And that will go away within 24 hours. And it will let the person who requested it know that you've rejected it for whatever reason you've put down. You can also, whilst you're here, make a new payment request, a new purchase order, or you can show your accounts of people who are doing this, and you can search past requests if you're making a note of things. But yeah, that's basically it. I hope